All right, time for some real world problems. Noticing it says right off the bat, add and subtract. So you'll always be either adding or subtracting the fractions. Also, like it says in the directions, you only need to do 5 of the problems. There are 10. You can do all 10 if you want, but you do not have to. So, read the problem. George drew a line that was 8 1/6 inches long. If you drew a second line that was 4 2/7 inches long, 4 2/7 inches longer, what is the length of the second line? I would recommend drawing some sort of picturing it in your mind. We have had a lot of practice with this with our numberless word problems. So if he drew a line, and then he drew another line that was that much longer. So if that's 8 1/6, and then it's 4 2/7 inches longer, that means we need to take this and add on that much more. Sorry, the numbers didn't show up, but the numbers are right there for you. So this first one would be adding those numbers together. So then make sure you do go, follow our steps, find a common denominator, write equivalent fractions, add the numerators, keep the denominators, and then simplify or convert into a mixed number if necessary. Okay? So anytime we're combining something, finding it put together, those are going to be adding. Anytime we're taking it away, we have how much more. We're comparing numbers. That'll be subtracting. So keep that in mind as you are doing your work. Let me know if you have any questions. The code word for this one is forever. It is your last assignment for the fraction pathway other than the test. And the phrase, 3 sentences, I believe, end with forever. So good luck doing your work. You got it. Just choose 5.